Yeah, I'm Arun Rao, Regional Manager Poppy, Goa, Karnataka.
Sir,
So we are very happy to announce that we are opening a third exclusive showroom in Goa, and we are a very eco-friendly mattress company and a very wallet-friendly also. We have all four categories of mattresses with us, mainly coir, latex, foam, and spring. And our ranges starts from 10,000 goes up to a lakh rupees. It is again categories are there. Each and every person has a different kind of necessity. So we have all kind of mattresses with us, which is specially tailor made for customers.
न्यू युनिट विल पुट हियर. न्हीद म्हणटा ती सगळ्यांक गरजेची. सगळ्यांक करता लास्टाक न्हीद पडना लेगीत फायदो. न्हीद पडप आनी न्हीद पडपाक फॅसिलिटेट करप हें म्हाका दिसता गरजेचें. इफ देर इज सम टेक्नॉलॉजी वीच गिव्स यू बेटर स्लीप, नथींग लायक इट. गोंयकारांक न्हीद बरी भशेन पडपाक जाय, पूण गोंयकार जागृत आसपाक जाय. पूण न्हिदेन तरी एटलिस्ट सुशेग मेळूंक जाय. सुशेग मेळपा खातीर असलें कितें हें बरेंच. It takes us forward.
We are Poppy Mattress based out of Tamil Nadu. We have our presence in across all South India. We are very happy today that we are inaugurating our third exclusive store in Goa, which is run by Upholstery Art here in nearby Colva beach. Here we are displaying our high-end mattress, which focuses on more sustainability towards nature and eco-friendly products we are using. And it helps customer to feel the mattress and experience the sleep before they purchase the mattress, and it might help them to sleep better.